What if I told you that for just $399,000, you could get over 2,600 square feet, your own private pool on a double lot in a gated community, and be just minutes from McAllen? This home has it all: style, space, and peace of mind. Let me show you why this one's a hidden gem. Hey guys, this is Bry Tallis, your McAllen Realtor with eXp Realty, and today we're in Hidalgo Palms, one of Hidalgo's best kept secrets. This corner lot home is something special, and whether you're buying your first home or just upgrading your lifestyle, this one checks all the boxes. Let's go inside and take a look at this beauty. All right, so right away, you'll notice we've got some beautiful landscaping and a mix of stone and brick veneer. This gives the home some real character. You've got this beautiful water fountain here. It's not on, but it's definitely still working. So you can turn that on, have this beauty going. All right, let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful home. As we step in here, the first thing you'll notice is this beautiful foyer. You've got a beautiful chandelier here over the top. Very high ceilings, that crown molding, and a lot of natural light in here. Really love this entry once again. You can really put a large painting of your whole family here. So once your guests walk in, they can be greeted by that. Well, it's got 2 living rooms, so we'll take a look at the other one here shortly. But this is your main living area, or maybe this is the one that your parents put all the nice furniture in and nobody goes in there. This looks like that type of space. And this is the dining room. Love those wooden beams up top here. Very nice touch. That all brings the whole entry together. So this light pours in from these large windows. Looks like these are plantation shutters. I love it. Let's go check out the kitchen over here. So you've got tons of cabinet, and you've got an island here and tons of granite counter space. This center island. Of course, you've got your stainless steel appliances as well. So you've got this microwave and oven over here on this side. So that's kind of cool. It's a little bit separate from the rest of the kitchen over here. I like that. You've got a little prep sink over here, which I really like. So you can keep this larger sink area clear. Yeah, you can prep your food over here in this prep sink and take it on now to this beautiful 5-burner stove that they've got over here. Also love this backsplash. Really like that. And as I said, you've got a lot of cabinet space. A whole lot of it. If you love cooking like I do, or you're a takeout person, or you just, love a good looking kitchen, this one's all stocked up for you, very nice. And you've also got your pantry back here, a decent sized pantry. let's go take a look at the garage and laundry area. Back over here, you've got your laundry room. Very nice. It's kind of tucked away. Got this large, beautiful sink in this laundry room, which I really like. A lot of storage in here, so really like that. And this is actually your garage here. So you've got a 2-car garage with epoxy. Very nice. I like that. It's actually on the side of the house. So it's got a privacy fence leading up to that. So we'll take a look at that shortly outside. But that's very convenient. Keeps the front of your house very clear. And of course, you've got this breakfast nook that we talked about, the second dining area over here. For you tech lovers, this also has surround sound wired in throughout the entire home. So it's perfect for your movie nights, parties, or just vibing out on the weekends. So very nice. I love that. So this is your second living area here. You've got a nice little bar area over here. So if you're into that, you've got a spot for your wine bottles. Very nice. I like it. We've also got these wooden beams up top as well. Love that. So whether you're hosting family or just want some room to stretch out, there's plenty of space for everyone. I love that. Very spacious house for sure. And a lot of natural light in here. And also got this little built-in over here with lighting so you can put some fixtures. Across right here, you've got your half bath. It also leads to outside the pool area, which we'll take a look at shortly. This is a game changer in these homes, especially if you like to have a lot of people over. They're hanging out by the pool. That keeps your house nice and clean. So it's very nice. You can hit this door outside and never have to come in the house to use the restroom. So really like that part. And then you've got this dedicated office space over here. You've got this little dedicated office space, which we know is a must these days, whether you work from home or just need a quiet space for reading, or just the kids doing schoolwork. You can stash them in here, close this double door, and keep it quiet in the rest of the house. So I love that. And again, all right, let's go check out the secondary bedrooms over here. So you've got 2 bedrooms with the Jack and Jill bathroom. So each one has a door to the bathroom, of course. And you've got Plantation shutters in all the rooms. I like that. These rooms are very large as well. Nice size. Ceilings are extremely high here. This is the Jack and Jill bathroom. It's got a double sink as well. So it's a full bath. The shower that mirrors the primary one, just a little smaller. And let's check out this mirroring bedroom. Again, it's still very large as well. And he's got a walk-in closet. So let's take a look at the walk-in closet in this one. Very nice. Nice size walk-in closet for sure. So next up, we'll head on to the primary bedroom. We'll take a look here. So this is your primary bedroom. I love this tile right here. And this ceiling, wow. This is so beautiful. I really love that. Let's take a look here. So it's oversized, it's got its own private backyard over here. So you hit this door. You can head outside to the pool area. It's got its own little patio. So this is, quite a large space, this master bedroom. So here, this is the bathroom, spa level. This is a very nice area here. So you've got your spa level whirlpool tub. Very nice, I like it. Really like this setup, how they built this in there. Nice spa. I can definitely fit in this one at 6'3". You've got some pillars over here. So this is nice. You got a nice little area over here. Of course, you've got the double vanity. And then you've got a separate shower from there. So this shower is just amazing. Let's take a look at it here. Nice shower, very large. Love it. And then you've got your walk-in closet here. You've got a huge walk-in closet, wow. And you've got your drawers built in here as well. All right, now let's head outside and take a look at what they've got in the backyard. Again, this is a double lot, so you've got plenty of backyard space. So this backyard is nice. A lot of room. Oh, this is the door to the master over here to the right. This is the bathroom that you can enter without having to go in the house. So very beautiful. So this backyard is kind of your showstopper over here. You know, you've got this beautiful covered patio. Got plenty of room out here to entertain, relax, and just hang out. You know, that's South Texas lifestyle. You know, you've got the heat, but also, you know, if you got a nice yard like this with a large pool, you've got it going on. And of course, as we say, you've got your beautiful pool here. Very nice, very clean. And then you've got a lot of space back here to roam. And this is the side of your house here. So this is your garage, of course. And then you've got this motorized gate. So for privacy, you've got this motorized gate. So that's very beautiful. This patio space over here is very chill. Overall, this is definitely a beautiful property in a beautiful area. So, you know, as we said, this is a 0.31 acre corner lot, you know, in this gated community. So you're you're part of the Valley View ISD. So you got some great schools, some quiet streets, and just a short drive away from McAllen, you know, and also the international bridge to Mexico is just right there. So, you know, you can go across the border. You've got also the expressway just up the street. All right. So if you're looking for a home that blends space, luxury, and peace of mind, this is it. Over 2,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, pool, office, double lot, and a clean, updated feel. Come and see it for yourself. Call or text me at 956-300-4343 or email me at brightsales@outlook.com to schedule your private tour. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more home tours in the Rio Grande Valley. As always, thank you very much for watching and have a blessed day.